Okay, hi everybody. Today we're going to be learning about the exponential growth formula and how to use it. And many of you may have thought, when am I ever going to use logs? But today we're going to show you how to use logs to solve these types of equations. So to begin with, the formula that we are going to be following is A equals AOE. So now that we know what type of equation we're using, let's go to the problems at hand. Okay. So we're going to be focusing on number 16, if we can actually 15, if we can see it. Oh, come on. Okay, so how many grams of carbon-14 will be present in 5,715 years? Now, this may seem a little bit intimidating, but it really isn't. In the directions, it says that we're going to be using the equation A equals 16e to the negative 0.000121t. Now, if you think back to the equation that we use to solve these types of equations, we're already given the k of the equation and the AO. So all we really have to do is solve for the t. Now, for any of you that don't know, the e is actually on your calculator, kind of like pi, but it is second ln. Second ln. Okay. So basically, we're solving for A. We don't know what A is, but we're always given what T is, because T is time. So for number 15, it says that the time we're dealing with is 5,715 years. So to set up the equation, we're going to be multiplying negative 0.000121 times 5,715. And we're going to come up with a number, which is going to be what E is to. Okay, so before we get too far, let's go right here. So the number that we end up getting when we put that into our calculator is negative 0.691515. What you do is you put the two numbers together, multiply, and that's what you get. Now, when you get this number, what you're going to do is you're going to take second ln, which gives you e, and you're going to put that number into there. So e to the negative 0.691515 equals 0.5008. Now, you could put out the whole number if you wanted to keep it, but you don't necessarily have to keep it. You can just keep to the first four places if you would like. That's what I did. So then all you have to do, see, since we already have all of this answer, we need to multiply that answer by 16, because that's how many grams we're given. That's what the 16 means. Okay. So once we do that, we take 16 times 0.5008, and our answer is 8.0128. Now, because I'm lazy, I just rounded it to 8. But if you really want to, and if you kept all of the numbers from the 0.5008, etc., you might have a little bit of a different number, but you could still round it to 8, and we'd still have the same number, and that would be fine. Okay, so that is how you solve the exponential growth problems. If you are interested to try more, you could try number 16 right here. The only difference is that the time is 11,430 years instead of the 5,715. Let me know what you get when you do that.